The moisture levels of your cactus are too high. This can lead to root rot and stress, especially if left this way for too long. If your plant is sitting in water, you should act now. Firstly, remove excess water from the saucer to prevent more waterlogging. Place your plant in a bright spot if it's not already. This increases the rate of photosynthesis. However, make sure that your plant does not get direct midday sun. Wait a few days until the moisture levels drop on its own. If the moisture curve does not start to drop after a few days, and/or if your plant is already showing symptoms of overwatering, the next step is necessary. Carefully remove the cactus from the pot, remove the wet soil, and cut off any rotten roots and place it in fresh, well-drained cactus soil. In the future, water less and only when the moisture level is below 20%. As soon as cacti start to show signs of overwatering, it's often too late as the plant becomes quite mushy. Because of this, you must let the soil dry well between waterings.